Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we are looking at a truly unique diecast model from Hot Wheels. It's called Speed Dozer. So before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. As it was first debuted in 2013, as it's a depiction of hot rod like bulldozer. It's not something you would have in a real life, but that's the beauty of Hot Wheels. It brings the impossible to life. Look at those ginormous dark brown wheels and tires. They are huge. This diecast vehicle comes with a giant engine and some giant exhaust and plow. Imagine if someone actually made this. That would be a great hit on roads. And it rolls pretty smooth with those big wheels. It's a pretty cool vehicle and it has an engraved letter like Speed Dozer and Hot Wheels. Each Hot Wheel model, including the Speed Dozer, offers a unique blend of creativity and detail. So stay tuned for more exciting unboxing videos and reviews. So what do you think of this new Speed Dozer, which comes in green? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting.